Bike life. Give me a high five. There he goes. That sounds so good. What's up, everybody? I'm making this video. We're going pre-Black Friday shopping. We're just gonna go look for stuff we might buy on Black Friday and try it on and stuff. And so when Black Friday comes, we can just walk in and grab it instead of trying things on and taking forever and not finding things. Just me and my girlfriend on the bike. Do you guys have plans for the Black Fridays? We're doing Thanksgiving dinner Thursday night, or a Thanksgiving lunch and then a Thanksgiving dinner at a different part of my family's family house, whatever, I don't know what to call it. And then from there we're gonna leave and go Black Friday shopping, since we know Black Friday starts on Thursday now, because why not? But yeah, we're probably gonna be out all night doing the shoppings. So yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna get this video out. I still have a video before this that I need to get out that I haven't got out because of if you must know, it's because I'm using the internet, which is really slow at my house, to play Fallout 76. And a video takes about 12-13 hours to upload because the internet is so bad at my house for some reason. So that's why I haven't uploaded it yet. But I don't know, I think tonight I might start it and it'll be up. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do about this one. You're definitely not gonna see it till after Black Friday though. So I guess the better question is, what were your Thanksgiving and Black Friday plans? What did you guys do? Did you go see family? Did you eat alone? Did you kill a giant dragon perhaps? I don't know. It's just different people have different plans. You can never assume. Oh man, there's already traffic here. Coming here on Black Friday is gonna suck. I know. I'm halfway tempted to. I kind of want to. Bike life. I shall return. There's a Mercedes AMG GT over there. I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, especially where the sun is right now. We passed him on the way down here, actually. Gave him a thumbs up. Well, that was my pre-Black Friday shopping, and I just had second lunch. Dead thing in the road. I had second lunch because we ate a small first lunch. So we went out and got Firehouse Subs. Love that place. And might have a really tiny dinner. You know, having 3-4 meals a day. What's the difference? Well, I hope you guys have... Well, I guess when you're seeing this, I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. And let me know what you guys did for Black Friday. I'm interested in seeing the dealios you guys have acquired. But I'm gonna get home, relax a little bit, probably play some Fallout 76, because I'm a nerd. Actually, I stopped playing video games pretty much altogether after high school, so this is like me treating myself. I used to play them way too much, and I'm not doing that anymore. It used to be like every day, come home from school, play some video games until bedtime or until dinner, then come back, play more video games till bedtime. It was bad. And then weekends would be like 95% video games. It was too much. But I think I found a good healthy balance now. Plus I'm in college and I got work to do, so I don't have the free time that I once had. This is also supposed to be the best day of the week, so I'm getting out and enjoying it on the bike while I can, because it's gonna get cold again, unfortunately. Probably when I'm out Black Friday shopping, I'm gonna have to layer up. This is gonna be like really cold, like 30s, which for me is not horrible, but it's annoying. I'm pretty hot-natured. I don't like the cold though, so it kind of sucks. Well, that's enough about me. More about you. Tell me what you ate for Thanksgiving. What's your favorite Thanksgiving side? Mine is 100% mac and cheese. All day, brother. All day, brother. Mac and cheese. That's like one of my favorite meals in general is mac and cheese. Can't get enough of that. There's so many different ways you can make it. I think it's underrated. You know what I haven't tried? Mac and cheese tacos. I've had mac and cheese burgers, not tacos. And I saw that somewhere, and I am intrigued, and I'm gonna try it. Ew. I love having a bike. Anyway, guys, really random Thanksgiving Black Friday video. You know how it be. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. And you hit that like button and subscribe and send me money. I'm just kidding. Thanks again for all the support and all the comments I'm getting and all the love, because you guys are awesome. I have an awesome fan base. You guys are coolio. I would totally give you all high fives if I could. If you see me in person, ask for a high five. I'll probably do it. Or not. Depends on the kind of mood I'm in, and depends on how you ask. Give me a high five. Like, oh, I don't know. I feel like you're too aggressive. But if you're like, oh yeah, please, can I have a high five? I'm like, no, nerd, get out of here. Just kidding. I'll high five you. You can ask as aggressive as you like. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you next time. Always remember, some of the best deals are on Black Friday. So if you want to go buy that new microwave, go buy it on Black Friday. You never know when you're going to need a microwave for real cheap like. Saw it. Anyway, catch you next time. Bye.